Hello everyone! Welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Be sure to friends, subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to write your comments after watching, also put likes. So let us get down to our topic. Open the Facebook Messenger application. After which click on the three bars. They can be either on the top left or bottom right. Next, tap on Settings. Next, select Privacy, and then go to that section. Next, select Message Storage. Now you will need to click on the Disable End-to-End Encryption section at the bottom, after which you will need to click Delete. So friends, you will literally in few steps quickly and easily remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger app. I hope friends that this video has helped you. Don't forget to write your comments and give your likes. Take care.